this society is saving lakhs of electricity bills with a very minimal investment.
We are a pretty new cooperative housing society.
In terms of the electricity bill, it's too high.
Did you know this society is saving lakhs of rupees in the electricity bills with a very minimal investment? How is this even possible when the system capacity is of 180 kilowatts? It usually needs a lot of investment, but not in this case. This society invested only the 15 to 20% of the total amount of the system, and now they can harness the benefits from the system for the next 25 years. And one more interesting fact, they are gonna buy this solar system only for 1 rupees after next 3 years. Many other housing societies can benefit like this. Do you want to know how? Yeah, it is possible with the help of OPEX model. What is OPEX model? OPEX model is a model in which the solar power company invests the solar system with its own funds. So to know more about this OPEX model, let's understand from the members of this society itself.
My name is Rahul Dubey. I'm a secretary here.
Hello, hi, I'm Saurabh Jaiswal. I am living in Gulmohar Primrose for last 8 years, and I am the treasurer of the society.
This was one of the best decisions as a committee members we have taken in favor of society. And the reason for going for this project is we can see like the green energy is everywhere. And in terms of reducing the carbon emission footprints, we actually wanted something in our society. And also this is not only about this but also about the cost which we are paying monthly in terms of the electricity bill. It's too high. And when we heard about Seven Greens, then we contacted Mr. Akshay and his team, and they came to the society, and we really had a good experience with them, like the discussion which we had, and we found it very much in favor of society. So the goal which we had to reduce the cost for the maintenance in the society, and also to reduce the carbon footprint from our side, at least we thought of going with the solar project. And this is the reason actually we compared the other projects, but we found Seven Green as the best.
So we actually had a couple of quotations from a couple of vendors. At least as we are a cooperative housing society, we went for 3 different vendors with their model. Now, after detailed analysis of the model, we found that the OPEX model, we had certain constraints on our part also. We are a pretty new cooperative housing society. It's just been 2 years since we have completed our cooperative housing society. We do not have much of corpus fund. So in order for us to do this project, we found that we would need anything close to 1 crore rupees for this project, which we didn't had in our budget. However, I come from a finance background, and the thought that came to my mind was that how we buy a flat on a EMI basis, why not use that same concept and get the project in that same concept. Most of the vendors, they were providing us a 12-year timelines, wherein the cost would only be 50% of what we are paying. But with our model, we are going to be after 3 years, we are going to be free from all the expenses. And after 3 years, it's going to be completely free for the society. See, the confidence that we got from Mr. Akshay Borkar, and I think he has played very instrumental role in getting this project. We've met several vendors, but we didn't have any owner or director coming directly and speaking to us and resolving our queries. So that is where I think when we met him, we discussed our, and we were very open with our problem statement. So when we discussed our problem with him, he kind of understood the problem. And when we proposed our model also, he kind of quite liked it, and he said that we can do this. So that is where we got that deal, win-win for both the parties, and that is why I think we were able to do this.
If you see the infrastructure actually they built before the panels, that was really good. uh, we have some projects nearby our society, but kind of infrastructure which we have for this for our project, it's really good. It's very strong. And apart from that, the panels which are being used, because we discussed with Mr. Akshay and his team regarding the panels, and looking at the infrastructure, what we have discussed, what discussion which we had with the team, and they 100% qualified on that. And the work actually Mr. Akshay and his team has done actually on the part of installation from the day one till the time of completion of this project is tremendous. And I really appreciate Seven Green team for their commitment to complete this project on time. And now we are using this project from more than 6 months, and we are very happy. We have started utilizing reducing our electricity bill to almost zero now.
Our model is also very different from the OPEX model. So what we have done is that we paid a one-time cost, okay, of some percentage, and remaining amount we have distributed into 36 months. So how that is helping me now is that it's not a burden for me as a treasurer, because I would be paying that money to MSCB, which now I am routing it to the organization who has helped us build this particular project. So while there were other OPEX model that we had discussed with other vendors, which was more like you get for 12 years, and then for 12 years, whatever unit that we have consumed, they would charge us for that unit. But here, after 3 years, I'm going to be completely free from any payment to any vendor or even to MSCB for using electricity. See, I think more than sustainability, what I look at Seven Green is the trust factor. I think we had trust in them, they had trust in us. Not many vendors would like to get into a model of such kind of model with a cooperative housing society, because there are chances that the member changes, the secretary, chairman or treasurer changes. But they had trust in us, we have trust in them, and that's how we were able to get this project done within the agreed timelines. The review that we have seen for Seven Greens in LinkedIn and other social media sites, that really gave us a lot of confidence in what we have taken as a decision. So it's not only just sales, but even post-sales review that we've seen. I recently saw 6 months back that there was some individual place where he's put this before 5 years, but he's still suggesting them, recommending them. Getting on ground is very much important.
As I said, like in the first question, when you asked me about how did you think about this, so my first thing was, as a society, if you see in our society, we have complete greenery and we focus on plantation, keeping the greenery around. So not only the cost is of course is there, but also the reducing the carbon emission footprint. We really wanted this project in our society.
So as you saw now how the society has implemented a 180 kilowatt solar project through OPEX model. If you want more details about the OPEX model, you can contact the number given in the description.
God